How to make your McDonald's or takeaway chips crispy again after you've bought them and they've gone cold. So how you can warm it up, because normally we tend to put them in the microwave. So here's my fries here. I've got one packet. I'm putting into the air fryer. I've already put foil paper in, and I'm going to put that one in the air fryer. And then I've got a second pack here that I am going to put inside the microwave. Let's see which one comes out better. I'm going to put them both in for about 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes each. And let's see how each one turns out. This is the microwave fries. Put the microwave one in for 1 minute because I think it tends to heat up quicker. Well, let's see how it goes. Now I'm going to put the air fryer one in for 2 minutes. So let's set that for 2 minutes. These are the microwave fries. Let's pour it out. These are the microwave fries. And let me get the air fryer ones out. Let's see the difference. These are the air fryer ones. You can immediately see. They look crispy already. Let's pour that out. So you can see this is the microwave side. They look a bit soggy. And then this is the air fryer side. So let me test it by eating it. If you can hear a crunch, that'll be good. Air fryer side, let me test it. I don't know if you can hear the crunch on that. Okay, so now this is the microwave side. You can see it's soggy already. You can already see that it's soggy. Look how it's soggy. And there's no